Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. We are talking about English at the restaurant, part 2. Sometimes you see food on the menu, but you don't know what it is. That's normal. So let's learn how to ask about food. Easy questions. What is this? What is it made of? Is it spicy? Is it sweet? Is it vegetarian?
These questions help you feel safe and confident before ordering. Example:
Excuse me, what is this dish?
it's made with rice and vegetables.
Is it spicy?
A little.
Practice. Repeat after me. What is this? Is it spicy? Is it vegetarian? What is it made of? Great.
Funny story. Luna said sweet, but meant sweat.
Here's a funny one. I wanted to ask if the dish was sweet, but I said, "Is this sweat?"
The waiter looked very confused.
He replied, "No, madam, I am sweat-free."
What we learn:
Be careful with pronunciation. Sweet equals taste. Sweat equals from body.
practice. Repeat slowly. Sweet. Sweat. Is it sweet?
Excellent. Now let's order drinks. Easy sentences. Can I have water? Can I have juice? I'd like tea. I'd like coffee.
You can also say, with ice, please. No ice, please.
Example. Can I have water, please?
Sure. Still or sparkling?
Still, please. Practice. Repeat. Can I have water? With ice, please. No ice, please. Funny story. Alex asked for ice but got eyes.
Alex once said, no eyes, please.
I meant ice.
The waiter said, sir, I need my eyes.
What we learn. Pronunciation matters, but mistakes are okay. Correct word, ice, not eyes.
Special requests.
Sometimes you want small changes. Learn these sentences. Not too spicy, please. Less salt, please. No onion, please. Extra cheese, please.
The polite word please is very important.
Practice. Repeat. Not too spicy, please. Less salt, please. No onion, please. Alex said no chili, too late.
Alex said no chili, too late.
The food came, it was fire.
He was crying and smiling at the same time.
Useful sentences. It's too spicy. Can you change it? Can I have water?
Problems at the restaurant.
Common problems. Food is cold. Food is too spicy. Wrong order. Long waiting time. Easy sentences. Excuse me, this is cold. Sorry, this is not what I ordered. We are waiting for a long time.
Speak politely, not angrily.
Practice. Repeat. Excuse me, this is cold. This is not what I ordered. Can you help me? Funny story. Luna said sorry to the food.
I once said sorry to the food.
You apologized to pasta. Long role play. Ordering plus problem. Excuse me, this is very spicy.
Sorry about that. Would you like a change?
Yes, please. Not spicy, please.
Sure.
End of part 2. Great work. You are learning real restaurant English.
More is coming. Paying, tipping, funny endings, and final practice.
Before we continue, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.